Welcome to Aysma Finance. Open Trust Wallet. Enter the password you created. Manage crypto. Select BNB Smart Chain and enter the contract address. Tap the Discover button. Type www.aysmafinance.org in the browser bar. Tap the dot. Open the Network tab. Select BNB Smart Chain. Tap the Connect button. Refresh the page. Tap the Connect Wallet button. If you don't have a referral address, tap the Don't Have a Referral Address button. Enter your username and register. If you have a referral address, enter your username and your referral address, then register. Authorize your wallet to buy and spend tokens. If you missed the authorization, tap the Approve button. Enter your password to confirm. If the Approve button disappears, the process is complete. Return to the main page. Tap the Connect Wallet button to view your balance. Enter the amount you want to buy and tap the Buy Now button. Since the token is newly launched, it appears as high risk, so we allow the transaction. Tap the Proceed Anyway button. Check the boxes and tap the Continue button. Tap the Approve button and continue. Your purchase was successful. Now, you can share your wallet address as a referral and earn the big reward.